to Crazy Cooking, where today we are going to be making a rainbow smoothie. We have a special guest in the kitchen, so let's let him tell us the recipe. So what are we going to put in it?
Now we did
Agave.
Some agave. Ooh.
one agave.
A few squirts of that, right?
Then we're gonna put
One banana,
Yep.
one apple.
one banana, and also
A few
What
grapes.
else?
A few grapes.
few grapes.
What else you got in your bowl?
Oranges. We're just gonna peel these.
Oranges. No, you just throw the whole thing in there.
No, I don't want.
It will blend it up for you. There you go. Look, apples, oranges. Just throw it all in there. What else you putting in there?
Watermelon.
Ooh, my favorite.
One. Okay. One more. And this.
Ooh, what's that?
Cherries.
Nice frozen cherries.
Try one.
Okay, I'll.
No.
Ooh, can I try a cherry?
Double.
Okay.
Because it's your birthday.
Okay, so now we're going to mix these ingredients up. Time to blend them.
Smoothies.
Look on the smoothie settings too. Now all I need to do is just get a cup and let's see how the cook likes it.
How is it?
And then try it.
It's good.
Goodbye. Thank you for watching Crazy Cooking. I hope you'll like this rainbow smoothie. Goodbye.